Hello, good evening, students. Let us try to understand the dipole moment, student. Okay. So, if you talk about the dipole moment is for the polarity of bond, student. We are calculating dipole moment of the polar bond. Okay, student. So, that is what it is. The dipole moment is the measure of the polarity of the bond, student. Measure of the polarity of bond. So, you can see polarity of molecule is expressed in the term of the dipole moment. That is dipole moment. How can you define it? It is measure of, it is measure of polarity of bond. Okay, student, polarity of bond. That is what the dipole moment. Okay, represented by mu. So mu is equal to q into d, charge into distance of separation. So product of charge is equal to distance between them. So 1d is equal to 3.3 into 10 power minus 30 centimeter. Q plus Q minus or Q proportional to bond length. This is what is the our answers. This is vector quantity. This is a vector quantity. So vector quantity means what, student? Magnitude and direction. Okay, magnitude and direction should go in the same direction. So mu is equal to q into d. Positive and negative are in the same direction. You can see how can you be able to understand, student, with the example. Let us see. Suppose we are having the linear molecule, okay, and symmetrical molecule have dipole moment 0, means you see, student, that is electronegative atom chlorine is there, so that is it is going in this direction. This is also chlorine, so it is also going this direction. So you can see, okay. So you see that is this side, this is vector quantity, opposite direction, this is again opposite direction, so they are cancelling each other. So dipole moment is 0 for the linear molecule. Suppose CO2 is there, this is for the CO2. You see the where is the dipole moment for this side, this here, this side here. So both are cancelling each other because both these are the vector quantity, student. So that is, if now see BF3, student, so this dipole moment here, for this here, for this here, so they are going in the what, student? That is all are going the opposite direction. So here is also mu equal to 0, student. So calculation of resultant dipole moment. Let AB and AC are the two polar bond, inclined at angle theta. Their dipole moment are mu1 and mu2. The resultant dipole moment may be calculated by using what, student? So mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. That is resultant. See, this is the mu r, because they are saying that is it is the dipole moment. If for this AB is mu1, B is mu2. So resultant will go from the center. So this one mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. So this is our answers. Next one is there, case 2. So O2 molecule are there, student. O2 molecule. So you see, student, this one is the electronegative atom is oxygen. So this direction dipole moment is going, and electron are also there, this direction is there, this is also this direction. So resultant will go in which direction, student? In the center of this. So total it is going in the same direction, so it is the polar, so it has the dipole moment. Similarly NH3 is there, NH3 is there in the same direction, but NF3 you see, student, lone pair this direction, and bond pair this direction. So this is the subtractive, and this is the additive. In same direction means additive, and different directions are there subtractive. So order of dipole moment means what, student? NH3 and NF3. This is next one. What is dipole moment of the diatomic molecule? Dipole moment of diatomic molecule. Greater the electronegativity difference between the atoms, greater the electronegativity difference between the atoms, more will be the dipole moment of molecule. Okay, student, greater the dipole moment of diatomic molecule, what they are saying, greater the electronegativity difference between the atom, more will be the dipole moment of molecule. Okay. Now what is the HF is there? Okay, so what is HF is there? Mu is equal to 1.78 d, mu is equal to 1.07 d, mu is equal to 0.79 d, and mu is equal to 0.3. So what they are saying is, student, greater the electronegativity difference, more will be the dipole moment. So HF, more electronegativity difference is there. Fluorine is 4, 3, 2.3, 2.5, and hydrogen is 2 point something. So you see that is what, that is more electronegativity difference is there, HF. So more dipole moment, student. Here less, so this is the getting decrease. Next point, what there, student, for the this one, student, CH3 is there, they are asking the dipole moment. Okay, so mu resultant we know, student, mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. So what are the value is given, student, for this question? If you see, that is mu1 is given 0.36, mu2 is 0.36. okay, dipole moment given, then 2 into mu1 mu2, this one cos 60 degree means 120. So that is, if you are solving, it is coming 0.62 dBi, 0.62 dBi. So this is all about the dipole moment from my side, student, and I hope this will be helpful to you to understand little bit. And if you find this video any little bit helpful, student, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching, friends.